How these new rules with real estate commissions affect buyers and sellers. This is something that's very worth discussing. Nationwide changes to real estate commission rules have recently shifted expectations. In Santa Clarita, this could impact both buyers and sellers. Sellers would often pay both their own agent's commission and part of the buyer's agent's commission, if not all of it. Now, this practice is no longer the default. As a seller, you have more negotiation room regarding how those commissions are going to be handled. So that could lead to potential savings, but it depends on the agent you select. It also depends on how fast you want the property sold. And these are all different variables that are very much worth discussing. Any agent worth their salt will bring those up. Buyers, if you're a buyer, you want to have detailed conversations with your agent about commission fees up front. The new rules mean you need to understand exactly how your agent is compensated and whether the seller is covering any of those costs. What this means for Santa Clarita, in Santa Clarita, these new commission rules may require buyers to do more research before even starting their home search. I always advise my clients to understand the terms fully and interview multiple agents if necessary, making sure the agent you choose is experienced and transparent about their fees. In this competitive market, working with the right agent can make all the difference.